Okay.
Hello. Hey. Hello. What's up? Karibuni. Habari yenu nyinyi? How you feeling? We are feeling good. I'm feeling excited. How's your day? Jana, days before. How's your month? How's your week? How's today? How's this morning? How are you feeling? Mimi, today I'm feeling like this. That's how I'm feeling. My name is Afrofab. Karibuni sana to Lolwe TV Fitness, where we do all things fitness, yes? We make fitness fun. Hii kukaa kwa nyumba umekaa tu saa zote atu umekaa unasema I can't go to the gym, I can't do this, I can't do that. Do it in your house. Fanya hapa pali uko, kwa ofisi, kwa camp, kwa shule, pali uko. Do it. There's always time. 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. You can spare that. You can have your breakfast at the same time. So, I mean, if you can spare time for a meal like that, you can take care of your body. So now, leo ni ile siku ya kucheza. Leo ni ile siku ya kucheza. Rahisi sana, rahisi mambo mboga. So, all I need from you is to get maji. Mimi niko na tumbler yangu ya maji pale. Space, and a partner, dancing partner. It's more fun when it's with a partner. Hey, wewe. This is how we do, man. So, let's start from the top. So, no, let's start from the top. Let's be nice to our DJ, at least atuanzishe mziki from the top. DJ, tuanze. I insist, bring your A game. Whichever game that one is, bring it. Sindio? Tucheze, kata mauno. Hata ikibidi funga leso, funga sweater. Kwani nini? Today is that day before that day. And you're alive, and you're well, and you have space, and you're loved. Aya. Space. Mark your space. Leo tunaanza speed ya juu. Hata tukuji chini. 1. Sindio? Tena. Hey. Again. Smile bana. Ya mwisho. Twende. The thing I love about music, you get to make whatever face you want. Enjoy it. Haya. Ndio hiyo. Hello, say, as long as you can move. Unaweza tembea. Aki dance tu. Sijinyime. Hey. Ndio hiyo. Ba. Hey. I know you know this one. And this. Haya. Hey. Vuta. Ita jirani. Yeah? Flex your back. Hey. Tembea nayo. Hey. Wewe. Side. Ndio hiyo. Weka. Ga. Hey. Tena. We. Aya. Maringo nani? Chukua weka. Ndio hiyo. Ha. Yay. Panga kila kitu. Ndio hiyo. Tena. How do I say make a face, make an ugly face? Haya. Wenye mnajua, if you know, you know. Tunaenda nyuma. Hey. Tena. Twende mbele. Ma. Turudi. Wewe. Hey. Ease off your legs. I know they're burning. Ha. Hey. Go as low as you can. Kwani nini? Hey. Wewe. Ndio hiyo. Hey. Tena. Watakufiririda. Hey. Tena. Hey. Wewe. No hiyo. You know what's coming. Tikiza kama kimekwisha. Hey. If you know, you know. Sing along, brother. Hey, do you? Ha. Wewe. Twende. Ngusha nani? Gunta mauno. Hey. 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 Tena. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Hey. Hey. Put your own things, Danny. Enjoy this music, man. Ha? Wait. Come on now. Ha, ha. Hey. Hala. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? I've just been here. Ninacheza tu na enjoy muziki peke yangu. Maji. Yes. Oh. as I catch a breath and hydrate. Hii sweat ni ukweli, sijajiwekea maji. Let us know what you think. Comment section kwenye socials. What do you think about the music? What do you think about how we're doing things? Suggestions. Hata mkitaka kutusalimia, mnatusalimia tu. Salamu ni ya free. Salamu ni ya Mungu. So yes, please let us know what you think in the comment section. Feel free to engage with us. We'll always get back to you. And again, thank you so much for taking time out to today is dance with us, but another day is to work out with us. You know, again, hydrate. Kunyweni maji, it's good for your body. It's good for your body. Hey, see. Lolwe TV Fitness. Afrofab Kenya. Weka. See. Do not deny yourself the chance to enjoy the little things in this life. Being able to get out of your bed or your seat and be able to dance or even drink water. Count yourself lucky. Count your blessings. Count your blessings. Yeah, kuna mtu mwingine anatamani sana, you're beyond blessed. If you're able to watch this, if you're able to work out with us, if you're able to hydrate, you're good. Uko sawa. You're on this side of 6 feet, uko sawa. You're alive, you're healthy, you can bob your head, uko tu sawa. Whatever it is that is happening in your life, it's never that serious. It's never that serious, trust me, it will always go away. So, tuendelee ama tuendelee? Mi bado nakunywa maji. Tuanze tena. I know that some neighbors who are hating you right now. Tell them to come and join you. Tell them to come and join you. Hey. Tell them. Again. Hey. Tuendeshe sasa. Hey. Aya, uko. Push yourself, make sure you sweat. And you smile at yourself and at the neighbor. Aya. Hey. Kidogo. Kidogo tu. Zungusha, zungusha, zungusha. My people like to say, kanungo, kanungo. Hey. Vunja mauno na magoti pia. Hey. 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 See, this face just comes. You just find yourself making a face. Ha. You can get silly with it. It's never that serious. Fukuza nani, fukuza all the bad vibes. Chase them away, man. Ha. Ha. Kata kabisa. Hey. You know what that means? We are slowing down. Kidogo tu. I know it hurts. It hurts. Sindio, kidogo tu. Tuna relax. Don't stop moving. I'll always say active rest. Active rest. Active rest. Stay moving. Tap your toes. Tap your toes. Move something because sana sana tunaenda kuanzia pale juu. But relax. 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 So how was the first round? Usisema umechoka. Usisema umechoka. Because I know today is that day before the day. So, do you? I like how this builds up. It just feels nice. Sucking you up for the day. Hey. Hey. Apple. No pressure, no pressure. Hey. Hey. Wewe. Aya, apple. See? It builds up nicely. Simple moves. Tena. Allah. Hey. Do you? Slowly. Do not allow yourself to get tired. Endelea tu. You can slow it down. Just don't stop. Hey. What? Hey. I told you we were slowing it down. I know the new kids know this. So, oh my God, it's been great. Let's finish this part. Let's finish this part. You just clapped for yourself. Situmemaliza. It was good. It was nice. Why are you smiling? Did you hydrate? Did you have fun? Did you invite the neighbor and the kids and the cat? Yeah? Maybe. I'm feeling good. But the thing that's making me feel even greater is you're here with us. You took your time to exercise with us. Yes, dance is an exercise, it's a workout, so feel free. Anytime you feel like breaking into a jig, jibambe, jiachilie. But all in all, we thank God for life. We thank God for everything that we have. Opportunities like this to work out together. So again, hopefully we'll see you again next time. Thank you so much for tuning in to Lolwe TV Fitness. My name is Afrofab from Afrofab Fitness. Hey, Nahema. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. I've worked hard. I've worked hard. But see you again next week, next time, tomorrow maybe. Siku yoyote ile utataka. Kingia YouTube utatupata. Tuta work out, tutacheza, So smile, enjoy. Afrofab is out. See you next time, man. Hey!
Okay.